Hi, this is an unboxing video and I have got March's edition of Look Fantastic. This arrived this morning and I opened it up and I fall in love with the box. It is so pretty. It is really lovely and it feels really heavy as well. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box and inside contains 6 beauty items as well as a magazine, which I'll open up and I'll show you in a little while. It costs £15 a month and you can cancel any time, or you can opt for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months I think, and a 12-month subscription, and that would bring down the cost down by a couple of pounds. And Look Fantastic won my sub-box favourites and overall winner for February. And yeah, the products inside last month's were amazing. A majority of them were sample sizes, but the value of the samples alone came to about £80–90, so way exceeding the cost of the actual box. And the products are products I really love and I have had in the past and I was excited to have again so I can carry on using them. So yeah, so a really good box last month. I don't know what's inside this box. There is a spoiler that I showed in my last video, but I can't remember what it is, so there's a bit of excitement there for me. I don't like knowing what's inside. I like to unbox it with you so you can get to see my reactions and my thoughts, and then at the end of the month then, because I receive quite a few beauty subscription boxes, I like to do an overview of my thoughts on the products that I used, the products that I didn't like and what I gave away, etc. So yeah, I really enjoy opening the boxes up. So I will link down the Look Fantastic website down below, and I also all the items that are featured in this box I will look up and I will create links down below as well. So if you're interested to take a look, then click on the show more and that bring up my description and it'll all be listed down there. So if you wanted to see my February box, then I will link that video down below as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing I see is the little information booklet. I really like this. It's like a little mini magazine. It's like, I always think of it as, you know, the Boots magazine that you can get. Very similar, like a mini version of that. So it tells you about up and coming beauty products. They might have some interviews. Oh, they've got interviews by the beauty. I know Bethan Webb. I follow her on Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, so they do they do interviews and things like that, and they also tell you what is inside this box. It doesn't tell you the price, but as I said, I will find that out and I will link it down below, and also I'll put into brackets whether what we received in this box was a full-size item or a sample item as well. So next you can see the magazine. Now we get a free magazine every month. This is Elle and it's worth £4.40 and it's always the latest edition. So I really love that touch, really like it. And this is how it's packaged. So we've got some tissue paper. I'll show you first. I'm not sure if you can see. So I'm going to put it down by the side of me and then I'm going to pull up each item and show you, and then we'll have a little bit of a read from this booklet. So my first item was heavy. This is the sneak peek that we were told about in last month's box. See, it's coming back to me now. This is the Omorovicka and it's a balancing moisturiser. Oh, I love the packaging. It is super smart and it's 30ml. So I'm assuming this would be full size. Ooh, let's have a try. Feels lovely. Oh, and the smell. Is it like a neroli? Is that what I'm smelling? Oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah, it's absorbing into my skin, really lovely. Oh, nice. So the information in the booklet says, from the Hungarian brand, this moisturiser leaves skin feeling supple and balanced while minimising pores and brightening complexion. Formulated to create a light, cooling gel cream, this fantastic moisturiser provides long-lasting hydration. It is perfect for oily or combination skins and works well under makeup as a primer. Apply liberally and evenly after cleansing to both face and neck, and it says tips, use on cheeks, chin and nose prior to the application of highlighter. The product contains ruby crystals which help diffuse light, minimise the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, also giving you an instant glow. Oh wow, it sounds amazing. Oh, that's such a great product and a fantastic size. No, I'm loving my first item. Right, next item. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know why I'm laughing. Now this is a Studio London foundation brush and I received this in a box last year. I can't remember what box, and I've just received it in March's edition of Pink Parcel as well. So it's a gorgeous little brush. It's very, very bendy. The bristles are super, super soft, very, very dense, but it's known as a foundation brush, but that is so tiny. Look how small that is. So, so small. And as I said in my Pink Parcel video, you know, it'll take me flipping ages to get all the foundation on with this brush. I would use this more as an application of concealer or for contouring, because it's that perfect sort of shape. It's like a dome shape as well, so you can really get in there. So I've already got one, and my one that I have from my Pink Parcel was going in a giveaway, so I might actually give this one away to a friend. So this is a foundation brush by Style London, and it's an oval face brush. This brush is ideal for blending and contouring your favourite foundation, a concealer, blush and powder. It's easy to grip and designed to be flexible, adapting to the shape of your face to give your makeup an even and flawless complexion. Use in circular motion when applying your desired product. Slightly dampen the brush if blending a liquid-based product for a smoother finish. So yeah, so that's there. So yeah, it's okay. Not for me, but I'm sure I can think of a friend that might like it. Rose Quartz. Oh, I love Rose Quartz. What is Rose Quartz? Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump. And it's Skin Chemist London. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. Rose Quartz. Oh, I love Rose Quartz. I wore a lot of Rose Quartz around me. Around my neck, I should say, before I met my husband, and apparently it's supposed to draw love to you in a good way, and I believe it works. Have any of you experienced love through wearing Rose Quartz close to your heart? I've got a really long story. I'll have to tell you in a Q&A or something. It's a bit embarrassing, but it is good. But no, I might be going red now, so apologise. Back to the product. It looks really cool actually. So this is an 8mm, and this looks like a full size as well. You can see there. I'm going to put it on my finger. I think that's the best way to do it, isn't it? Because I don't want to, because I got lipstick on, I don't want it to turn back. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, it smells all minty. Right, I'm only putting a little bit on. I just want to see if I can feel anything. Oh, it's nice. It's very, very minty. I can feel it now on my teeth. So I don't know if it's actually plumping my lips because I've only tried a little bit. I just wanted to see what it's like. But no, I'm excited to try that. So this is a Rose Quartz lip plump, and this lip plump is bursting with, I can feel it. It's tingling. It's starting to tingle just in the middle there. This lip plump is bursting with active ingredients that will instantly plump and nourish, leaving you with hydrated and fuller lips. Blended with vitamin E, this must-have product soothes and protects against skin damage, not to mention that the peppermint oil helps to plump whilst also leaving a divine scent. Yeah, I agree. Apply to lips as if it were a lip gloss for a needle-free lip plump. Use alone for an instant shine, or apply your favourite lipstick over the top for some added colour. No, that is nice. Ooh, so far I think we've got 3 full-size items. So my next item, it's a big, oh, I've had one of these before, a long while ago, and yeah, they do look a bit odd on your feet, but it does feel nice. And it's a Skimona beauty mask, but it's for your feet. So it's total conditioning, a deeply replenishing serum foot mask packed with shea butter, olive oil, tea tree and chamomile. And that's what that looks like there on the outside. And it just shows you there what you do. Now when I tried this on, I don't think I left it on long enough. So you put like the foot thing on, and then you massage the product on your foot, and then you've got like a sealy thing to go around your ankle so it's secure. I'm not sure how long you leave it on. Does it say here? 20 to 30 minutes. Now for me, I took it off. It left my skin feeling nice and fresh and soft, but I didn't notice a big difference. But I remember actually talking to this company, and I was saying that I would like to do it again, but leave it overnight, or they suggested leaving it overnight, and I might see more of a difference because my feet are a bit neglected, unfortunately. Yeah, out of sight, out of mind, that sort of thing. So no, I'm really happy I've got another one because it was a good couple of months ago, back in the summertime I think. So no, I'm excited to try it again and to leave it on overnight this time. So yeah, no, really chuffed with that. It's a foot mask. Pamper your feet this month with this deep conditioning treatment featuring dual layer technology. This sock-like mask contains shea butter and olive oil to soften hardened skin and add much needed moisture. Separate the socks from the sachet along with perforations and pop your feet into the liner layer in the sock containing the beauty serum and secure the mask using the ankle sticker tabs. Leave for 30 minutes before removing and massage any remaining serum into the feet. If your feet feel hot or sore, then you can place the mask in the fridge for 30 minutes before use for a particularly refreshing experience. Oh, that's good to know. I think they cost about £10 as well. And yeah, that's our 4 full-size item. I think, anyway. I will know more once I look into it afterwards, but yeah. So my next item is something small. Oh, it's makeup, and is it Dolce or Dulce or Dulce? That, it's an eyeshadow. If someone can pronounce it for me in written form down below, that'd be really helpful, thank you. So this is a Freematic eyeshadow duo. Oh, and it says there in Kate and Tenley. So those are the colours. Oh, nice colours, colours I use. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting that. They're really small. Oh, look. They are super teeny tiny, but they look like they're supposed to be added to a palette. So make your own palette type thing. Oh, I wonder if we'll get more in the future so we can actually build our own palette. But no, that is just bizarre. It's just a bit bizarre. So it slides on and off there. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can see properly there. There. So those are those colours. So quite universal colours, colours that I tend to use mainly, you know, day to day. And no, they're nice. They've got a slight shimmer to them. Both of them have. But oh, I particularly like this coppery colour. The first colour is beautiful. So the information in the booklet says that it's a Freematic eyeshadow duo. We guarantee that these gorgeous shimmer eyeshadow shades will add an instant sparkle to your look. Highly pigmented and customisable, the shimmer texture and versatility of the Kate and Tenley shades will complement all skin tones. Enjoy effortless application also with rich, creamy and weightless texture, making them super easy to blend without smudging or creasing. Use an eyeshadow brush, apply a solo colour or combine the two together to cover that eyelid. Use a darker shade in the creases and lighter shades up to the brow and blend well. Apply the eyeshadows dry for a more natural finish or wet for a long lasting and dramatic look. So no, I quite like those, a bit different. And my last item is, it's a Renew Skin and it's Instant Facelift Effect. It's for mature skin. Advanced Anti-Aging Flash Relax Mask. Wow. Instant Facelift Effect. I'm going to have to do a video on this sometime. So that's what that looks like there. I haven't heard of Renew Skin. So this is a 30ml, so I'm not sure if this would be a sample or not. I would have thought it was a sample or a travel size maybe. And yeah, now let's try a bit on my hand. It's got a sealy thing on it. Oh, it's like a clear gel. Oh, it'd be interesting to see how this works. Oh, it's lovely. It's really nice. So I know it's a mask, so it's not going to absorb properly into my skin or anything like that, but I'll just rub it in out the way. No, happy to try that. Gosh, I'm really impressed with this box. Right then, what's the information say? So this is Advanced Anti-Age Flash Relax Mask of 30ml. Say hello to bright smooth skin with this fabulous mask that contains vitamin C and B5 to enhance your skin's radiance. A wonderful multitasker, this mask will also intensively hydrate your skin to keep it feeling soft, making it ideal for dry or mature skins. Massage into skin, avoiding delicate eye area, leave for 10 minutes, then for best results remove with lukewarm water using a damp cotton wool pad or sponge. Use this mask the day before a big event or night out to really pamper the skin and leave skin glowing and ready to go. So we've got a product for everyone in this box really. So this one is for dry and mature skins and this one is for oily and combination skins. Luckily for me, I can use them both because I have normal to combination. So yeah, anything anti-aging, I'm well up for that. But yeah, this sounds absolutely beautiful. So no, I'm going to just gather all my items together. So that's the 6 items we received in March's Look Fantastic, and I'm really impressed. Really impressed. There's quite a few items there I can't wait to try. This foot mask, as I said, I've tried it before, but I'm looking forward to trying it as an overnight mask on my foot. The only thing I'm not that excited about is this foundation brush, and that's because I just received it in pink parcel and I've received it before in the past and I've tried it and it's not really for me, but it's fine, it's fine. That's the thing with these books, is sometimes you do get duplicates, but which can't be helped. But no, the rest I really can't wait to try. This moisturiser sounds amazing. This lip plumper is, where is it here? It's gorgeous, and this mask, I will have to do a video on that. An instant facelift, I have to do a video to show you if it works. And yeah, these eyeshadows are just really lovely. So no, so really chuffed with this month's box. There's quite a few items there that I can't wait to try, and actually the box design itself is stunning. So yeah, no, really impressed. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you were to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.